Before I start this video, I just want to say I am not a financial advisor. I am just some guy on YouTube giving his thoughts. Oh, surprise, surprise, some guy on YouTube doesn't know what he's talking about. Someone call CNBC. So stuff's been a little wild recently in the stock market. I mean, is it natural stuff to be just tripling and quadrupling? Probably not. But hey, why are you being such a, party pooper? Shut up. We're making tons of money. Everyone's making tons of money. I'm laughing all the way to the bank. Yeah, no, that's great and all. I'm happy you're making money, but sometimes I just get a little worried about everyone getting a little cocky, maybe just a little bit. Maybe the best, the smartest, the most genius financial advisors I know are actually on TikTok. It's this couple I just saw.
So how do we make money from home? For starters, this is not a sponsored video. We just get this question all the time, and honestly, the answer is really simple.
So basically, I just trade stocks on an app called Robinhood, which I left a link in our bio if you want to check it out. It's free to download, free to sign up. They actually give you a free stock, so they're paying you to sign up.
Sweet dude, thank you so much for telling us about this. I mean, so you don't have anything to gain by telling us this information. So if we sign up for your Robinhood link, you're not just going to get free stocks and sell those for more money, right?
But again, not sponsored. And I know trading sounds intimidating. Here's my strategy in a nutshell. I see a stock going up and I buy it, and I just watch it until it stops going up, and then I sell it, and I do that over and over, and it pays for our whole lifestyle.
Haha, buy low, sell high? That was your plan? That was your secret? I mean, what is this?
If you're wondering how much you can make doing this, in this month I turned about 400 into 14,000, and in this month I turned less than 1,000 into 20,000.
Wait, what? Did he say 20,000 and then 14,000 in 1 month? Dude, teach me.
And honestly, my favorite part about this isn't even the amount of money you can make, but just the fact that we don't have to go to a 9-to-5 job.
Yeah, we can focus on things that we actually enjoy doing. So if you have friends that want to make money from home, you can tag them or send them a link. Or if you make money this way, share it in the comments so other people know there's more people doing this now.
You heard the guy, all right? You buy low, you sell high, okay? How much more easier can it get? How can you forget those two things, huh? Did you just accidentally sell low one time and then you bought high the other? I mean, how dumb are you to do that? I mean, I've just been coming at this whole investing thing all wrong. I've been, buying good companies, waiting a year, not selling, just holding them. What? Dude, loser, right? Okay, enough fun and games. I'm just joking around, It's good to have some fun. We've all been there at one point in our lives, pretty naive about the stock market, thinking you're the best, thinking you're a hot shot. But let's take a look at these comments and see. Hopefully, it'll be a humbling experience for them. Option calls, good job, keep it up. Okay, so this one might be like a one-off. It's kind of encouraging this behavior. We'll chalk it up as a bad apple. Alright, next. Penny stock recommendations needed. I have 150 in my account, ready to invest Monday. Cheapest one I do is Dogecoin. When the market closed, ride the spikes up, then sell when it starts going down. Okay, so they seem to be enabling each other. That's fine. That's why you find a community on the internet, so you can find people like you. Let's sort of look for some criticism over here. I found this one to be pretty funny. It says, do you watch these stocks all day in front of a computer? Also, how do you know what to buy? Please make another video. But stocks spelled STALKS. Like the stock market, like in Animal Crossing? Like selling turnips and stuff? My husband played around with it for a month and made $3,000. We should get back into it. I wish more people would do it. That's awesome, though. I hope it keeps working out for you guys. I don't know if that's good advice, man. It's definitely advice. We'll say it's definitely advice. Not sure why everybody's saying don't do this. Just don't put in more money than you can afford. Yeah, the negativity on this one is strange. So, this comment is probably the most reasonable one out of the bunch. It does seem like the post has gotten some backlash, which I don't want to say is relieving to hear because I don't like when people get backlash, but it is good that the other side is being shown here where it's like very risky. And this guy is right where it's you don't put in more than you can lose. It is kind of like gambling where you're just trading without any idea if the stock's going to go up or down. So after reading those comments, I can't say I'm too enthused about the future of the market. Like, I think we might be in a bubble, honestly. People are just so exuberant, over enthusiastic about investing when it shouldn't be that way. Listen, investing should be boring. Investing should put the average person to sleep. Like, it shouldn't be this easy to make money. When it becomes this easy to make money in something, you know there's going to be a problem. Like in a video game, if there's just this bug that's going on that's making everyone rich, you know, everyone can get experience, everyone just becomes super high leveled, the developers go and be like, "Nah, we're fixing that, all right? Everything's nerfed. We're taking that all out, all right?" So this feels like that, where it's kind of like, everyone is maybe driving the prices of stocks too high, and that's making me a little bit afraid. There's a lot of stimulus out there. There's a lot of quantitative easing, and a lot of people just quarantine at home with the Robinhood account. $1,200 extra dollars, $1,800 extra dollars right now, just trading stocks, you know. And it's making me a little nervous. We'll just keep it at that. But as for the couple making the video, I can't really hate on them. Like, I'm just making fun of them. I hope people who watch this video don't actually go there and like say any mean comments. That's just stupid, bad thing to do. Like, I don't even think they're aware of the information that they're spreading and how harmful and damaging it could be to someone who doesn't know anything about stocks. Honestly, like, I kind of thought like this when I first traded stocks, and it didn't work out for me. Like, I got destroyed. I got clapped by doing this. And that's how, honestly, it goes for half of the people who trade stocks. Like, half of them are winners, half of them are losers, you know? And anyone who makes money trading in the stock market, there's always the other side of the coin to that, right? You just have to consider that thought. But yeah, all in all, I just hope that we can create an environment where we can like educate each other and teach each other proper fundamentals about finance so we can have a viable long-term strategy on how to invest. And listen, if you're a day trader, you do call options, you do put options, you do whatever, I hope it goes well for you. And I don't hate on anyone who makes money. I hope everyone makes money, right? I just don't want people to lose money, you know? And the fact that people are doing this puts a lot of risk on themselves that they might not be aware of, since the couple in this video is presenting it as if it's like a risk-free move that you could just buy something that's low and then it'll eventually drive up in price where you could sell it. I think everyone thinks of the stock market as a get-rich-quick scheme, but in reality, the best way and the safest way to think of it is a get-rich-slow scheme, where slowly, year after year, decades, you compound that capital, building wealth, all right? And eventually, when you're 60, you'll have millions of dollars just from investing a couple thousand, you know? And that's very powerful, but no one has the patience for that, all right? We're all trading options. We're all, you know, buying penny stocks and that kind of stuff. It doesn't have to be like that. We don't have to risk losing it all to get some. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'd like to just say I'm going to post more often. Like, I've been slacking. I've been kind of off the grid recently, but I had a lot of fun making this video. And before I leave, I'd just like to say one more thing. I will never sell out. I will never get a sponsorship. I will never advertise for any company, okay? I make videos for the people, all right? I make videos for the love of the game. You'd catch me dead before I promote some crappy company like Robinhood. Link below.